Hello everyone, this is Stefan and you're watching SYGTECH. Welcome back for another video. We have an interesting product review unboxing for you today. We have the Samson MD5 desktop microphone stand. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this stand a few days ago from Amazon.com, and actually this product is quite popular on the market, and I think many people choosing this stand because it's quite popular. So let's unbox it and let's see, let's build it together. Also, I'm gonna do some samples with videos. I'm gonna put a few microphones on the stand to see how the microphone stand looks like with a microphone on the top. So let's unbox it and let's see what it's all about. So this is interesting stand because it's not very big. This is a short stand. And I think this is interesting because depends of your setup, depends of your microphone, and depends where you decide to stream, podcast, and so on. Obviously the table as well. So this is interesting to see how this will look like. So it's pretty straightforward. It's not very difficult to set up. We have the base, which is in my opinion quite heavy. As you can see, this is quite heavy. This is very simple stand, so you just need to screw this here opposite and we are ready to go. Yeah, this is the best, easiest stand ever. As you can see, this is ready to use now and looks pretty decent in my opinion, with the Samsung logo here, and I do like the base. It has a rubber feet here, just make sure that this doesn't slide. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the 3/8 to 5/8. You need to buy this separately, but would be great actually if this was included in the box. But yeah, you can buy this, it's cheap, like a $2-3. But overall, yeah, this is the stand. And now let me put some microphones on the top to see how actually will look like. The microphone I have on the top is the Zingyou 007. Actually, I did a review on this microphone, so I'm gonna leave it in the descriptions down below. So as you can see, this stand looks pretty cool in my opinion. It's not very big, but let me show you something. I have another stand here, just for a comparison to see. This is much bigger actually. It's much longer. So it's much taller actually, and actually can go even taller than that, as you can see. So this microphone stand is called, if I pronounce it, if anybody knows, just make sure you leave that in the comments down below. I don't know how to pronounce that. Moki. Anyway, so as you can see, this is much taller and this is much smaller in my opinion, but looks pretty decent. So let me know in the comments down below. Let me remove this one about this stand from Samsung, and I think it's very decent. Obviously, again, depends of your setup, and let me know what do you think. I think it's pretty decent stand, not bad. It's small. So let me demonstrate right now. If you decide to have a setup, I do this in a one way just to make sure it's right. So it's short in my opinion. It's not very big, but again, depends of your microphone. So pretty decent in my opinion, and this is robust. It's heavy. And yeah, decent microphone stand from Samsung. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like it, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, thank you very much for watching. This was SYGTECH, and I'll see you in the next video.